Hello, and welcome to the General Information Session for the Cooperative Education Program at the University of the Fraser Valley. Let us understand what is a co-op program. The co-op program alternates periods of academic study with periods of work experience in appropriate fields. This is an opportunity to gain full-time paid work experience ranging from 4 to 12 months of work terms with relevant job experience and supervised work. Now let us understand what are some more benefits of enrolling in the program. So, this program allows you to apply the skills and knowledge that you acquired in the classroom to real-world hands-on learning environment. This is where the academic pieces such as the case studies, theories, projects that are abstract and on a piece of paper come to life as you apply them to the workplace environment. Some of us may have specific goals and experience provides you an opportunity to gradually build on your experiences so that you can propel into the achieving your goal. While others may want to explore and find the right fit for themselves on the go, this platform provides you an opportunity to taste diverse careers and how each of these can shape your future as well. Another advantage that the co op program gives you is to network with the employers that are relevant in your field. And it also helps you to develop your professional resume writing skills as well as professional workplace skills, which help you grow and be successful and thrive in your work environment. And of course, it helps you earn money. So now let's answer the question, how am I eligible to be a part of this program? In order to be eligible for this program, you need to have successfully completed 2 full-time semesters in a Canadian institution. You need to hold and maintain a GPA of 2.33 if you are in the diploma program and 2.67 if you are in a degree program. If you are a transfer student, I recommend that you either email us to understand your situation or you can visit us at the CC office and get a detailed understanding of whether you are eligible to be a part of the co-op program. As a part of the co-op program and being a co-op student, you are required to conduct yourself professionally and responsibly at all times. You should be enrolled in full time, which means minimum 9 credits in a diploma or degree program, which has the option to enroll in the co-op program. You must have enough time remaining in your co-op program, which means you should have enough time to come back from your work term to an academic study term to end your program and be graduated. You cannot graduate while you are on your work term. Now let us understand what are some programs that are eligible for the co-op program. Arts, Business Administration, Computer Information Systems, Criminal Justice, Data Analysis, Environmental Studies, Fine Arts, Integrated Studies, Library and Information Technology, Media Arts, Science, and Agricultural Sciences. Now let us understand the co-op timeline. So you will have to first submit in your application. Now, in order to submit your application, you will have to go to the career link profile and submit your application. Please make sure that you hit the submit button and don't save it in the draft because otherwise we will not receive your application and it will not help you get accepted into the program. Once you have submitted your application and get an email confirmation from us saying that you have been accepted, you will be required to complete the co-op and career education workshop, which will be held in October if you are enrolling in September, February if you're enrolling now in Jan, and June if you're enrolling in the summer program. You will be required to complete all modules and assignments online, attend one optional in-person session, which is this time held on February the 5th at two slots, 12:30 and 3 o'clock, and attend an advisory meeting as well as apply for co-op work permit if you are an international student. Once you have completed all these components, you will now be accepted in the co-op program and you will have the co-op concentration added to your academic record and you will be now eligible to begin applying for co-op jobs. Now, let us understand what are some examples of co-op jobs that you can secure. In arts, business, com science, as well as the general science program. So we have some job titles that are relevant and go across all the fields are research assistants and career education assistants, and then we have the specifics as the accounting co-op, human resource co-op, marketing, graphic designing. In the CIS com science, we have engineering service intern, developer, system analyst, support engineer, and so on. With the sciences, we have lab technician, research assistant, again, which is a common one, engineering co-op, which is shared with CIS, and particle chemistry co-op, student biologist, mycologist, and so on. Now, the question is, who partners with us to hire our co-op students? So, in the arts and business, we have the Civil Radio, which is a on-campus radio, Canada Revenue Agency, Canada Border Services, RBC, UFV is common across to hire all students from respective fields. And then we have TELUS, Fortis BC, Abbotsford, and Chilliwack City as well. In the CIS, we have SAP, which is one of the big companies. Then we have Tech Resources, TELUS, we have Cascade Aerospace, UFV again, as mentioned, and the Correctional Services of Canada. WorkSafe BC as well. In the Science and Geography or Environmental Studies program, we have Agriculture and Agri-Food Canada. We have BC Ministry of Agriculture, Ministry of Forest, Land and Natural Resources, Cardium, which is heavy on co-op programs, Stem Cell Technologies, Triumph, and again, Abbotsford and Chilliwack as well. Now, let us move on to co-op fee structure. So, now, once you have submitted your application and you have completed all the components and you are now officially a part of the co-op program, you will now be required to pay your co-op fee, but only if you secure a co-op contract. So if an employer hires you and gives you a contract, a job offer for 4 to 12 months time period, then that's when you will incur the co-op fee. So because it's a full-time 6 credit work term, the fee structure for 2024-2025 is for domestic students, it's $665.64, and for international students, it's $1285 flat fee. Once again, please note that tuition is only due if you secure a co-op job and have a contract. Okay. Now, if you're still sold on applying for co-op and being a part of the co-op program, let us understand the application procedure. So, you will be required to go on to the link ufv.ca/jobs, where you will see Career Link student login on the right-hand corner. And if you have the access to it, you can directly go to Career Link and you can log in, and it will open a page that looks something like this, where you will have your initials as your profile on the right hand corner, which you will click on, and it will open a drop down button, which will have your fourth option as apply to co-op, as shown in the picture here. Then it will open this full application form where you will be required to submit all your details true to your knowledge. And once you have mentioned and filled this form, please click submit application so that we receive your application. And after that, we will be able to review your application, understand your eligibility, and send you a confirmation email. When we send you a confirmation email, you will be now accepted in the program and required to complete all the components as mentioned earlier. For international students, please note that you apply for the co-op program well in advance, because you will be required a co-op work permit, and that, as you can see, has processing time of nearly 4 to 6 months, and you want to leave that buffer period so that you can secure your co-op work permit and then begin applying for jobs and have the time to go on work terms and come back on a study term within the range that you are graduating in a suitable amount of time. So please apply in advance. And yes, and for all your international student work permit related queries, or co-op work permit related queries, or study permit related queries, you can contact John Fernando. He is the go-to person for you because he is RCIC certified, and he's the best person to answer all your queries related to study permits and work permits. In Having said that, if you have any questions regarding the co-op application or regarding the co-op program, you can feel free to reach out to us at coop@ufv.ca, which allows all of us, Kayla, me, and David, to answer your query. But if you have a specific query related to a specific program, you can reach out to Kayla at kayla.webster@ufv.ca, or you can reach out to me at rashmi.keshwani@ufv.ca, or you can reach out to David if you are in the arts and business program at david.warkentin@ufv.ca, and you can scan the QR code to stay updated with all the events and everything that's happening in the co-op CC office. Awesome. I would love to hear from you, So you can share your queries via email, or you can visit us at our office location Monday to Friday 9 to 4 in the building S on third floor S3117. Awesome. Thank you so much.